Best 5 trading platforms in United Arab Emirates in 2025. Thinking about trading in the UAE? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, choosing the right platform can make or break your success. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 trading platforms in the United Arab Emirates in 2025 based on reliability, fees, features, and local support. Let's dive in. Platform number 1, eToro. At number 1, we have eToro, the go-to platform for social and copy trading. It's fully regulated by ADGM in the UAE, and it's perfect for beginners who want to mirror the trades of successful investors. You get access to stocks, crypto, forex, and ETFs, all with zero commission on stock trades. Best 4, beginners and social traders. Regulated by ADGM, SEC. Mobile app, yes, very user-friendly. Platform number 2, Saxo Bank. Next is Saxo Bank, ideal for serious traders and professionals. With its advanced Saxo Trader Geo platform, you get access to global markets, in-depth analytics, and top-tier execution. It's regulated by the DFSA in Dubai, so your money's in good hands. Best 4, advanced traders. Minimum deposit, $500. Assets, stocks, bonds, CFDs, futures. Platform number 3, IG Markets. Coming in third is IG Markets, a trusted global broker now expanding in the UAE. Known for tight spreads, educational content, and powerful trading tools, IG is great for both forex and CFD traders. Best 4, forex and CFD traders. Bonus, Great Trading Academy. Regulated by DFSA. Platform number 4, Sawa. Number 4 is Sawa, a UAE-based platform designed for passive investors. With Sawa, you can invest in diversified portfolios, or trade stocks and ETFs commission-free. It's fully licensed by the DFSA and has gained huge popularity with millennials and expats. Best 4, passive investing. Minimum investment, as low as $5. Bonus, robo-advisory plus halal investing options. Platform number 5, interactive brokers. Finally, interactive brokers, the heavyweight for global trading. If you're looking to trade on US, UK, or Asian markets, IBKR offers unmatched access and low margin rates. It's best for experienced investors managing large portfolios. Best 4, global investors. Assets, 135 plus markets, 33 countries. Regulated by multiple international regulators plus UAE support. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.